A surprising move unfolded in New York City as French President Mr. Emmanuel Macron found himself stuck on the road while out and about. Well, US police had blocked his car to clear the way for Mr. Trump's motorcade, forcing Macron to step out of his vehicle and wait on the busy streets. Can you imagine that? In fact, a video quickly went viral showing Macron dialing Trump on his phone, joking that "I'm stuck because of you." In the meantime, passers-by and crowds, they watched the unusual moment unfold, and social media erupted with memes and jokes about Macron's unexpected street standstill. Even though the US cops later apologized, they refused to let him through immediately, highlighting the strict security measures that accompany high-profile leaders in the city. Experts say that this particular incident, it shows the tensions and awkward moment that can sometimes happen when multiple world leaders visit the same place at the same time. While Macron laughed off the situation publicly, the event sparked widespread discussion online, with users comparing the two presidents and joking about power dynamics at play. Now, here some analysts suggest this moment, though minor, reflects a different kind of scenario. That how protocol, ego, and security measures can collide, sometimes leaving even the most powerful leaders in funny or humiliating situations. Now, for Macron, this was more than just a funny mishap. It became a viral global moment, reminding the world that even presidents can sometimes face unexpected street-level challenges, specifically in cities like New York, where politics, security, and public attention intersect. So here's the bigger takeaway: even a president can be left waiting on the street, and sometimes humor is the only way to deal with it.